Juliana earns 420 pesos if she works for 4 hours. How much does she earn if she works for 10 hours if she gets paid at the same rate? Okay, so this is just a simple, direct proportion. So we have Juliana earns 420 if she works for 4 hours. So this is the pesos, the amount that he earned, and then each 4 hours. So we have 420 pesos for 4 hours. The question is, how much does she earn if she works for 10 hours? So for each, we have 10 hours, and then we want to find the amount. Okay? If she gets paid at the same rate. So let's say this is N. Okay, so we set up the proportion. So we have 420 over N is equal to 4 over 10. Okay, so just cross multiply. So N times 4, we have 4N is equal to 420 times 10. So that is equal to 4,200. And then, to solve for N, just divide both sides by 4. Okay, so therefore, the value of N is 4,200 divided by 4. We have 1 times 4, we have 4. Subtract. So we have 0, bring down 2. 2 times 2 divided by 4, so that is 0. Bring down the another 0. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So just copy the remaining 0. The answer is 1,050, letter A. Follow me for more content like this.